I have this egg boiler for many years. It can cook 7 eggs with only this much water. But it has a problem. You see, when the water completely evaporates, the thermal switch inside shut down the device. That means the egg is ready. But most of the time I forget to switch it off. So after a few minutes, when it's cooled down, it starts working again. I want it to be just like the water boiler. When it's done boiling the water, the switch gets back to the normal position. I need the same thing for the egg boiler. So I designed this simple circuit using a current transformer and a relay. This part of the circuit is inside the egg boiler itself. When a current passing through the current transformer, it can produce enough voltage to light up a tiny LED. This voltage is enough to activate the relay. To switch on the egg boiler, you have to press this push button. So the current starts to flow this way. This current flow creates voltage in the current transformer. The voltage from the current transformer activates the relay. So now even if you release the push button, the current keeps going through the relay. After a few minutes, when the water completely evaporated, the temperature goes high, so the thermal switch shut down the circuit. Even when it's cooled down and the thermal switch closed again, the egg boiler stays off, unless you press the button again. I use the solid-state relay instead of electromechanical, because you can drive it with less power. To increase the sensitivity of the current transformer, I wrapped several turns of wire. I'm using 2 amps relay because my load is 1.6 amp. I haven't enough space to put the circuit inside, so I used a tiny box with a socket like this. To start the egg boiler, I have to press this red button for 1 second. After a few minutes, when it's done boiling the egg, it resets the circuit, and it stays off even when it's cooled down. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.